This screencast is to demonstrate some of the features available within discussions inside of Canvas. This is going to provide both the teacher setup and student view. So I have already set up, or I already have a discussion topic that I'm working with. So I'm just going to go to the three dots and select Edit to highlight some of the features. For this particular post, I've already included all of my instructions. For this particular post, students can attach a file to a post here if they wish, and I can as a teacher as well. These settings are always default. With anonymous discussion, it is off. We always want to know who is sharing what. Next, users must post before seeing replies. The default is that this is off. I selected this one for this particular post because I want to know what the student thinks prior to viewing what others have posted. You can enable podcast feed, which is more linear. It can be graded or ungraded, and then you can allow liking as well. So I'm allowing liking just because I want the students to, collaborate as much as they can, and having the students respond to a post is already available. The items below have to do with grades and categories, so I'm just going to go ahead and select Save, which can be updated as you are the teacher. Next, I always recommend looking at the student view in the top right corner. Student view allows for you to get the student experience within the class as a whole or with a particular discussion, assignment, and assessment. So you can see I have access to the post, and I am able to, as a student, see how many replies and how many are unread. Now that means that this test student has 31 unread posts that they can go to and view. But I have to post prior to viewing those items. So I'm going to go ahead and make a post. So I had selected the reply and I created my post. As a student, I can incorporate Google Docs, images, videos, anything that the rich text editor has, and then I'm going to go ahead and select reply. Once the page refreshes, I have access to other student responses, and you can see I have the ability to reply as well. So I can select reply, or I can like. So if I want to, and this is replying to my own, but there are other posts below that I could reply on student per student. So please reach out if you have any questions about discussions.